today we are going to be making egusi soup, and we're going to be having that with semovita. This is where we get to teach you different recipes, Nigerian recipes especially, and of course also outside the recipe.
I always invite people so dear to my heart, friends of mine, to join me on our episodes on our show, Food Clinic. How are you? Open salad, white soup, white soup, white soup.
Uziza leaf is very, very popular in Africa, of course. So I'm done washing this.
Please, you still leave you.
I was just teasing you. Damn, this is something else.
Okay, okay, okay. Give it a mix there. Yeah, you can wash your hands.
All right.
Thank you. I really appreciate you doing that.
You're welcome.
This food looks so good already.
Right.
It looks so good already.
Oh.
10 out of 10.
So today we'll be bringing you another wonderful and exciting food recipe, and today we are going to be making the egg fried rice, also known as Chinese fried rice. So this is really nice, and I'm going to be giving this a 10 over 10.
That's yummy.